So this is the GATE PYQ that is asked that there is a matrix that is a 3 cross 3 matrix, as I can observe from here, and they have given the nullity of matrix is 1. In that case, what is the value of K? So from here we can see that what is the nullity. Nullity is just the order of a matrix minus what is the rank of a matrix. Other remaining variables are considered the nullity of the matrix. Okay, so from here we can see nullity is given is 1 and order of the matrix is 3. Okay, so what is the rank of the matrix? Rank of matrix is just simply order of the matrix, that is 3, matrix minus nullity. Okay, because order of the matrix is equal to summation of the rank of matrix as well as nullity. So rank of this particular matrix is 3 minus nullity is 1 is equal to 2. 2 would be the rank of this particular matrix. Okay. Since rank is 2, so thus in that case the determinants of this particular matrix would be 0. This is the concept of a matrix. If the rank is less than the order of the matrix, in that case the determinant of that particular matrix would be always and always 0. So here we can just simply write the determinant of this matrix is 0. Like the determinant of this 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 1 1 is equal to 0. Why solving this? We will just solve this. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 here 1 minus minus plus 4. Okay, plus 2 plus में 1 और जी माइनस माइनस प्लस के 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. बाई जस्ट के और जी 4 और 1 5 माइनस के 5 ओके 2 और 1 3 दूनी 6 प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. के बराबर -1. Okay. So this would be our final answer. They have asked the value of K. Okay. I hope this is understood, and we will discuss the second questions.